So today I'm gonna be doing a prank on Jayla Shay. So I'm basically gonna do the fire alarm prank. Last night we were talking about how the Airbnb didn't have any fire alarms. So I'm gonna do a fire alarm prank on her today. So I'm gonna get the sound on YouTube and play her dream.
One eternity later.
Judy.
Stupid! God! I'm just saying what's going on. Oh my God. This is not the time. Oh my God.
You get scared?
I thought it was a fire alarm going off in the building. Oh my God. Probably look like death. Oh. Oh my God. What in the heck?
Guys.
Can you feel my heart?
If
you, oh my, that's the stupidness you wake up to do?
Yeah.
Probably got crust in my eye and stuff. My God, my heart has not even calmed down yet.
I feel like my pranks are so short because I just get straight to it. But so yeah, I've pranked her twice during this trip.
Whatever.
You know what should I do? I should do like come and say, Judy, we gotta go. They say we gotta leave the building. Make you get up and get dressed, put on some clothes.
I wouldn't have, you know me, I just always check stuff for myself. So I would have looked out the window outside on the balcony or something.
Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up. And I'll work on my pranks more after the last day. Perfect day to do the fire alarm thing.
Perfect day to give me a heart attack, right?
I was so scared
on the day that we leaving, okay.
I was so scared. I was like, she might either hit me, cost me a steak, or I don't know.
Pointless.
What?
I was about to say, look at what she started. Oh my, you know what I also thought? I was like, we were just speaking about fire alarms yesterday.
Are you too typing fire alarm song? He said.
Oh my God.